welcome to my college move-in vlog. Can you guys believe it's already been a year? Like, how did that happen? I'm so excited. It's currently around 9 in the morning. My dad is on his way to Whole Foods to pick up some sandwiches, and my mom has been so amazing helping me pack the car. I'm all packed up. I think I'm just gonna grab like my phone and chargers and things like that. And yesterday, the last bits of like my dorm decor arrived, and I've been just like shopping for decor pieces throughout the entire summer, and this is gonna be like my first time seeing everything together, and I'm so excited. It's literally my dream dorm. If you've watched a move-in vlog of mine before, I'm going for something unlike any room I've ever had. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab like the last of my bags and head down to the car.
Move-in year 3.
See you there.
Okay, we are on the way.
Happy moving day! Woohoo!
We're about 20 minutes away. Not too bad of traffic.
You're chilling.
We're chilling, exactly. How was your junior year?
Oh, it was awesome. I was in Santa Barbara, surfing every day, studying at night.
It's a good combo.
Loved it.
Have you seen the season finale of Somewhere Turned Pretty?
No, I haven't.
Which team were you on?
I think Belly should find some new people to date.
Yeah.
If I had to pick one, well, you really gotta love Connie Baby.
Of course.
He's dark, brooding, contemplative, and has really matured in the last few episodes. Jer Bear, on the other hand, is more of a golden retriever, and I love how he's morphed from having no skills to being a master chef. I do think he's going to end up with someone else, so Belly's probably going to go with Connie Baby.
I agree with all of that. Anyways, we're gonna be there in about 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
Bye.
Happy moving day.
This is my new rug.
Very exciting.
This is your old vacuum.
Oh god, still going strong. We are in the elevator, and Mom's in the other one. How are you feeling about moving?
Awesome.
Are you
Can't
excited?
believe you're in year 3 already.
I know, I'm
Time is
old.
flying.
I'm more than halfway done. Oh, good timing.
I lost you. I couldn't find the button that keeps the doors open.
Welcome home.
I kind of like,
Kind of a moment.
I know, I kind of like what they did with the setup. Here, I'll show you guys. They have the layout different in here this time.
Smells different. Looks different.
It does.
It makes it look like it's so wide and short. I'm so excited to be here.
Hello, hello.
When you walk in, you have the usual little entry. And then they have the bed on the other side, which is kind of a vibe. And then there's the desk by the window, which is honestly really good. A glorious view. What do we think about the bed here?
It's nice.
One of the things that's nice about it is it doesn't extend into the window and it is cozy.
Because then I can have a bedside table, but if I have it over here, it's not quite wide enough for the bedside table. Last year it was over in this corner. We got started on the bed and it's already looking really cute. I got new sheets and a new duvet cover and it's looking really nice together. Then I just have like a throw blanket and I'm gonna set up some more pillows and put my bed risers on it, and yeah.
There
we go. This is so pretty. I like that it's kind of in between like a girly, ruffly, like could be kind of like a coquette, could be kind of beachy. It's kind of in between, which I really like because then it still has the coziness, but it also has the fresh and crispness of like the beachy room. So it's the perfect combo. Okay, we're gonna set up the bed risers. I have these stackable ones from Amazon. If you can, try and find out what the color of your furniture is before you order them, because sometimes college furniture is like black, so then you can get these in black. Sometimes they're, you know, wood color, and I feel like I try to match my bed risers to my bed skirt, which is like white. And also just there's like a lot of white in this room. So if you can find out before, that's like ideal. And then you can kind of just choose the height, but I'm going with the highest one. Now I'm gonna assemble my prints, and this is my first time seeing them in person. So this one is like a cute little coastal matchbox decor, and then this one is low-key the reason I got it. It's like a bunch of cute little bikinis made for the sea. So cute!
That's really cute.
Look at that. Oh, and there's like a little heart on that one. That's so cute.
love that.
And then the last one, seashells, a classic. And it matches the bedding.
Really perfectly. Look at how well it matches.
Oh, because you know how it's kind of hard to like know the exact shade of things online, but this is literally the exact shade.
Coastal vibe.
So cute.
Coastal vibe.
Okay, we're taking a lunch break.
Snack time.
It was a sandwich
Look
haul.
at those pepperoncinis. Yum.
And
The room
yeah,
is really coming together.
it really is. Oh, and we brought in this.
They're
This is
awesome.
new. So I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna put this over my soon-to-be vanity desk, or if that's gonna be over my fridge, and I'm gonna put all of my cute, because I have so many cute little mugs, and I also have like coffee stand stuff. So I could either make it a whole little thing,
And
or
we have what's in that box.
yeah, we have tons of decor that could go on there. But first, look how good this looks. Oh my goodness. Oh, so a couple days ago, a library guy asked me, and he was like, hey, are you still going for like a blue and white theme for your dorm? And I was like, yes, I am. And he was like, oh, it's gonna look so good. And look what he brought. Literally, it's the most perfect bouquet, and he matched it to my aesthetic perfectly. But it's so sweet. They're literally stunning, and they smell so good. It has all my favorite flowers. I am obsessed with hydrangeas and roses, and they smell so good. So stunning. I love these. Like, they're so beautiful, and they match my room. He also got me my favorite chocolates. If you know, you know. Trader Joe's peanut butter cups. And then he was like, happy moving, and drew a little bunny. Do you think it has a weight limit?
I know it does, but we will not meet the weight limit. Imagine.
Oh, my child, I don't want to say goodbye to you. I'm gonna cry on camera. I'm gonna miss you. Miss you too. But it's not that far. We can still hang out. I'll come visit.
I'll come visit. Unannounced.
Come to class.
So if you want to drop in on your college-age daughter unannounced, bring a jelly cat. What else could you bring? Oh, snacks from, do I name places? Trader Joe's.
You can't.
Trader Joe's. Jose. Trader Jose.
Do we have a scissor? Oh wait, let me get Dad's knife. How's the couch?
Well, it's very snuggly. I just think it's a little bit too cozy for me. I'm 6'3" and
It opens into a bed, which is
Yeah,
good.
it's really helpful actually if you want to have like a sleepover or friends from home visit, then you don't have to have like an air mattress, you just kind of open. Okay, after a lot of deliberation, we've decided on putting the shelves here. I'm just gonna decorate and make really cute. This whole pocket will just be like very homey. This is a seashell. It's actually a lamp, so if you look up close, there's all these little holes. I don't know if it's gonna glow and have like a grotto feel, or if it's gonna have a bunch of little dots and have like a disco ball feel. I'm not really sure, but
I've never seen a croissant stuffed animal.
he's so cute.
He is cute.
Comment name ideas below. I couldn't decide between a white, like creamy rug, I'm totally out of focus, or a blue rug with like a creamy pop, and I got a reversible one, and it's really pretty. So let's unroll it.
Where do you want it? This
Oh,
way?
hold on. I think the blue side up, right?
Yes, the blue side. You hold that and I'll hold this end. Beautiful. Where's it gonna go?
I think like the middle of the room.
Okay,
That
pretty.
looks good. Yay! So pretty. Also, this is a really good move-in life hack. So I have this whole like entire roll of contact paper from Amazon, and I use this to cover some of my like less cute furniture. So like the top of my fridge and also like the top of my vanity like this. I'm not sure about the vanity this year because I thought I was for sure gonna want to cover it and make it white and look really, really like clean and crisp. But the brown is kind of a nice contrast with the blue. It kind of gives it more of a beachy feel. I don't know. So I'm gonna start off by covering my fridge. I think I'll decide after that. But basically for this, I got this roll my freshman year and now I'm a junior, so it's lasted me 3 years and it's super affordable. It's literally from Amazon. You just pull it out like this and then cut it to whatever size you need, and then it's like a sticker, so you just pop it on and it's super easy to remove, doesn't like damage the furniture or anything. So this is perfect. Okay guys, we're calling it quits for the day because we're all super tired. We made so much progress today. I think this is the most efficient we've ever been with a move-in, and it's also the most amount of stuff we've had. We honestly have our process down now. So it's gonna be my first night in the new dorm, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow and I'll show you guys the full tour. Welcome to my dorm. Hi! So Ash is helping me film this again for the 3rd time.
Yes!
I can't believe it's been 3 years.
I know. We're old.
We're We're old.
And wise.
Yeah, we're getting wiser, we're getting smarter, we have more education. So this is definitely my favorite dorm yet. I think it's my best work.
I love it. I voted for it on her Instagram story to do this theme.
Thank you. Well, I'm so excited. So now we'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is my entryway. Over here is a full-length mirror. This comes with every dorm, right?
Yeah, I believe so. Every UCLA dorm, I think, has a full-length mirror.
Yeah, so really nice to have.
Which I made the mistake. We bought a full-length mirror freshman year. Yeah, because we didn't know.
Exactly, but good to know. Okay, so up here I have a poster board that I made. I also feel like this is something really fun you could do with your friends, like from home before you all go to college. Down here I have a little seashell lamp.
I love this part.
It's just like so fun. I have a couple little smaller warm lamps around my dorm that just make it feel really cozy. And then this is just a little YSL box. It has some like jewelry inside. And then these, I feel like if you're looking for decor in college, this is something really good to get because they're all fake.
Fake.
Yeah. And you can like put things in here. Obviously that one's not very big, so you can't like put a whole bunch. But this one, you could put quite a lot of things in here, especially if you have roommates. Up on the top, I have 2 candles. One's for my sister and one's for my dad. And this one smells very beachy coastal. So I kind of like it.
Fitting for the room.
Right, I feel like it fits the room. I covered the top of this dresser with white contact paper. I have it on my Amazon storefront, but basically the UCLA furniture color is this. And I kind of wanted to tie it into my aesthetic. So, and then moving on, this is an ottoman, but it's also what I use to get up onto my bed sometimes because it's really high. I use it as my laundry basket, and there's like dirty clothes in there and stuff, but you can kind of put whatever you want in there. All of my bedding is from Pottery Barn. This is a really soft blanket. I love the color. I originally got it for the color, but when I tell you it is one of like the softest, comfiest blankets I've ever gotten, and it's a great color, I feel like it's a double win. My duvet cover is Pottery Barn. My sheets are also Pottery Barn. I got new sheets this year, so there's like a really fun little eyelet print, or not print,
Cut out.
design. It's eyelet. And yeah, so like it's very frilly, very girly. And then my prints back here, I have like some bikinis hanging, seashells. The boat actually did not come with the other 2. I felt like this kind of tied into the room a little bit better, so I mixed and matched. Those are all from Amazon. So are the frames. I also have a white bed skirt because my bed is high and there's a bunch of storage underneath my bed, and then the bed skirt covers it. Down here I have my bed risers. They are stackable, so I have like 2 on top of each other. Moving on to this section of my room, I have this cute little lamp, which is also Pottery Barn. I have my croissant jelly cat, which honestly this has been moving around my dorm. I've had it in like every place possible. Right now it's chilling there. And then this is really helpful because when I'm like reading in my bed at night, nice to have because I don't have to get out of bed to turn it off.
It's the biggest life hack.
Yeah, really big life hack. And down here I have daily devotional reading. And in these drawers I have a lot of storage. This one I have a lot of class notes in it. And then my pillows, this one matches the duvet cover. The rest are just kind of like a good frilly pattern. This one you can't really tell from far away, but
it has another design.
Yes, another eyelet moment coming up. I have some fake hydrangeas because
that look like real hydrangeas. She fooled me.
Thank you.
For days.
Thanks.
Look at how good. I just am so impressed actually.
My windowsill, is the lighting doing what it does?
It is doing what it does.
Sorry, a little angle change. Here's my basil plant, and you might be like, why do you have a basil plant in your dorm? Because one of the only things you can make in a dorm is a caprese salad. And then I have another plant here. And a fun fact about this plant is I've propagated so many little pieces and given it to some of my friends. A lot of people have this plant. Right here I have a chair. This is kind of my ideal back positioning for like a laptop. Pretty much every morning I'll be in this chair. Sometimes I'll read, have my coffee cup here. Very comfy. Down here I have a rug, which is Love Shack Fancy Pottery Barn collab. It's reversible. So this side is the same thing, but it's ivory and blue. Right next to the chair, I have a pull-out couch. So this is a good little dorm-sized couch, and it opens into a bed. Moving on to my desk vanity. This is a little bit different this year. So obviously I have this big mirror, and this has a bunch of different settings. I highly recommend it because it gets like warm lighting and then like cool lighting. You can also control how bright it is, or if you want like daytime, very bright, or if you want really good lighting for TikTok. This does it all, which I'll also have linked in my Amazon storefront. Everything will be linked to my Amazon storefront. storefront. This is a jewelry holder from Pottery Barn. I love this because it keeps my necklaces not tangled. It's really nice to have. I have a little tiny pumpkin from Library Guy, which is really cute. It's like honestly the smallest pumpkin I've ever seen.
It's adorable.
Makeup brushes. Here I have pretty much everything I use frequently. So I have like a bunch of hair ties, lip gloss, a bunch of hair clips and PR. And I have this UCLA chair that I cover with a blanket. I have another like day purse. Bottom drawers, I have a bunch of PR. Over here is the fridge. Fridge is from Best Buy. And Keurig is from my dad. My dad's office. Okay, so this has like a fun little story. Ashlyn and I met in the food cluster and we had like this friend group freshman year where basically before class we would meet for coffee cluster. So we would like have our little coffee together and then we would go to food cluster. I love coffee and I also feel like it brings a really good community vibe to my dorm. Like sometimes my friends will be coming, like Caleb. I'll call him out. Caleb will be coming to class. Can I come up to your dorm for coffee? And I'm like, yes, come up. So like things like that, like I really love. So we have a menu of things that I can make for my friends. You know, it changes seasonally. This is a mug that I painted. I painted the inside of the croissant, not planning or knowing that I was gonna get a croissant jelly cat for my room. So it's kind of like coincidence, manifest, whatever you want to call it. But a mug from Home Goods. 2 little mugs from Amazon with my mini tiny little spoon. Little baby spoons and some sugar. Behind the couch is a painting I made of some hydrangeas. It is a work in progress, but that's the current state of it. Okay, and then these are my shelves. This is one of my favorite parts of my dorm. I feel like I've said this about all of the parts of my dorm. But top I just have a little picture frame. I have some perfumes. I kind of strategically put the perfumes above the lamp because when I put this on, it kind of makes them all glow.
Beautiful.
Then underneath it, I have my Say jewelry box. A lot of jewelry storage. A little candle. What on earth?
Can I smell?
Yeah.
That doesn't smell like anything I've ever smelled before. It looks really pretty.
Below that. Actually, I've been saving this. My mom gave this to me for move-in, but she's like, open it in your dorm tour. So. Oh, wait, this is so cute.
What is it?
They're like little hydrangea playing cards. Oh,
that's adorable.
This is so cute.
Aww.
These will definitely be getting a lot of use. And the box is super cute.
I think those are the prettiest cards I've ever seen.
I have a stack of books. My current read is Happy Place. I really like it. This has notes from everyone who's ever been in my dorm. I'm gonna read it when I graduate. So, and now it's like, we've made it pretty far. So I'm very excited to read this. Underneath that is Atomic Habits, my journal, and then Claude Monet book. I'm obsessed with Claude Monet, and this is from my dad. It's every single Claude Monet to ever exist. Just like a really fun coffee table book. And it kind of opens up to like some bigger pieces. And I just have my everyday bag, disposable camera in here. Okay, smile. That's pretty much my whole dorm.